Welcome back to Blackdog Performance Cars. This is Chris, and this is our 2004 Ferrari 360 Spider. This mid-engine Ferrari is powered by a 3.6-liter flat-plane crank V8 with titanium connecting rods, as well as a F1 automatic transmission with the paddle shifters. You get an impressive 400 horsepower that propels this car to a 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds and up to 180 miles an hour. It does have genuine Ferrari wheels. This car is finished in Corsa Red, and the Ferrari 360 has been designed by Pininfarina. Paint finish on this is absolutely stunning. Again, Corsa Red is such a beautiful, vibrant color. It's hard to beat a Ferrari in the classic red. The top is in beautiful shape. Allowing the car to breathe is its 360 Challenge grille. The beautiful note that this engine makes comes from our Capristo exhaust. The sounds this car makes, absolutely second to none. The engine bay is finished with carbon fiber all around. This Ferrari 360 is finished in a beautiful black Connolly leather interior. Ferrari was the F1 World Champions from 1999, 2000, 2001, and even 2002. And the interior of this car follows that same design language. Everything is in a perfect position for the driver, from the F1 paddles, the steering wheel, and Ferrari did a phenomenal job in converting the car to a street car with the leather wrapped dashboard, the leather seats, well kept, low miles, and it is ready to be driven. And now it's time to take this Spider out for a drive. That's it for our 2004 Ferrari 360 over at Blackdog Performance Cars. Be sure to visit our website at blackdogperformancecars.com and feel free to give us a call at 847-634-7534.